G'day everybody, Pepsi here, mkc.kiwi. Here we are in the workshop here at the My Kiwi Christmas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a reindeer. Here's our template we use. This is one of the painted ones from the prop display this year for the pop-up. So I'm going to show you what to do. Now there's a photo and a link in the description below. And follow those instructions, you'll be able to make your very own one. Yeah, we'll crack on. So it's what you're going to do is just mark around the edges. Picture, or use a projector, I'm guessing, to make your ones. I'm lucky enough, obviously I've got these templates here, and this is a brand new design this year for us. So here in New Zealand, for those people who don't know, we make these and sell them to the general public for a reasonable price. Unpainted reindeer is about 25 bucks in New Zealand. One of our big sleighs, which you'll see me making at some stage. Oops, I kicked the camera. Big feet, you see. It'll go in the bloopers, no doubt. Try not to get in the way there, so just mark it around to make sure it's all nice and done. Go there, and our sleighs retail for about 150 bucks a pop, unpainted. Here we go. As you can see here, I've marked that out ready to go. And yeah, what I'll do is I'll push pause, I'll come back to you and I'll show you how to do the legs as well. Here we are with the legs, guys. As you can see, we've got lucky enough to have these templates already made. So what I suggest you do, if you're going to print these out like the instructions below, I suggest you make one, keep it as a template. I've got several of them lying around somewhere. So we're going to mark it out like that. I forgot to say before, I'm just using some old pallet plywood that we got for nothing, and we're just using that because it was free wood. There we go. Again, I've got a picture of those properly in the link below, so you can use that for part of your picture, so you can blow it up with those instructions I talked to you about. Now, enjoy the music. Alright guys, you can see I've cut them out now, the legs. Just get a raft, file, favourite, sander. Enjoy the music. just like that, we've got a front and a back leg. Why only a front and a back? Well, these ones here go on the side of the fence. We'll see that when we do it. Hi everyone, we're back again. Here I am this time. Enjoy the music while I cut out the reindeer. There we go, hope you enjoyed the music. As you can see, there is one reindeer cut out, and I don't know how long it took. Let's have a check, eh? 3 minutes to make a reindeer. Now I'm just going to get the sander out again and give the sand around the edges while you guys enjoy this music. Kindly brought to you by, I have no idea. Well, there we go everybody. In under 10 minutes you've got yourself an unpainted reindeer. Now what you do is just attach the legs on like that with a screw, and then you attach it to your roof. No, you could put them on your roof. Genuinely I don't. Generally I just screw them on to a fence, either by the bottom of the legs Just make sure this bit here lines up so it's flat, and you'll see a very clever designer called Pepsi Cola made them in such a way where they line up beautifully. Here's a hot tip. Before starting something, make sure you remember to have the right equipment. There you go. Some great advice for me and a great learning opportunity. I love learning. Right, here we go. So we'll just screw these in like that, just line up like that. And to go, these are 25mm, I think, or 20mm. I normally use 25mm for these. Going for the front, just line it up. Goes about there. Try and line it up with, you know, it makes sense. Pretend there's an eye there in the middle, and there we go. Now you've got your very own reindeer. Give them a paint. You don't need to show me how to do that, obviously. And don't forget both sides. Don't paint them like that though. Unscrew the legs and take them off. Put that on the side of your thing. Just screw through. Get longer screws through here. Sometimes I just screw one here and one there to the fence, and away you go. Or, as you'll see in a link in the description to my bobbly head one, I've just used a L bracket and put it on like that, screwed it up, and it kind of moves in the wind. Looks great anyway, I think so. But I'll show you how to do that as well. But for now, have a great day everybody. Hope you liked the video. Here's our reindeer made in under 10 minutes. My Kiwi Christmas, here to entertain you. Have a great day everybody.